Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you live your life, be yourself, carve your path. A warm hello to new listeners, a warm hello again to returning listeners. Thank you for joining me today. And today's episode is one that is a request from Affirmation Pod listeners. This is also something that comes up in my coaching practice. Essentially, it comes down to tension between living the life you're supposed to live or you've been expected to live versus living the life you want to live. By the way, for the first time in a very long time, I may have some coaching spots opening up. So if you're interested, please put your name on the wait list to be the first to be notified when coaching spots open up for working with me. Sign up for the waitlist by going to affirmationpod.com/coaching. That's affirmationpod.com/coaching. Now let's take some soothing breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. Here's affirmations to live your life. I choose today to live my life. To be secure, happy, and thankful for where I'm at. I pick now to lean into what I want. I carve my own success. I live the journey I want. I go with what works for me. I live with courage. I trailblaze where I need to. I live my life. I invest in myself. My opinion of my life matters more than anyone else's opinion of my life. I am staying true to my path. I am secure with where I'm at. I'm happy with where I'm at. am grateful for where I'm at. I am living my life. I am staying on this path. It is up to you how you want to live your life. If you've had some struggles with committing to the path that you are choosing, whatever it may be, I recommend listening to the episode from 2 weeks ago. It's called Following Through with Your Decisions. It is episode number 562. Yes, I made these episodes and I still can't believe we're in the 560s now. But following through with your decisions can help you with committing to your future, whatever it is that you are choosing to live your life. Now, if you are looking for all the episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements, that's available for Premium Access members. Premium Access members also get all the bonus episodes of Affirmation Pod. Again, ad and announcement free. Some popular ones are Give Yourself Some Time, I Celebrate Myself, Affirmations for Motivation, and I'm following through with my goals. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.